Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. In this video, let us see what is a covalent bond and what are the conditions necessary for covalent bond formation, and also we see how this covalent bond is formed in certain molecules. Atoms combine with other atoms by losing, by gaining, or by sharing electrons. Atoms are doing like this to maintain their stability because atoms with octet configurations are stable except hydrogen and helium. For hydrogen and helium, duplet configuration is very stable. So a covalent bond is formed which is formed by sharing of electron pair between atoms of a molecule. The conditions necessary for covalent bond formation are: the atoms should be smaller in size, the atoms should have that smaller electronegativity differences, and also their orbital, they should have that unpaired electron. Now let us see that how this covalent bond is formed in hydrogen molecule. So hydrogen molecule is a diatomic molecule which is formed by combination of two hydrogen atoms. So for hydrogen, atomic number is 1. So let us write that electronic configuration KL shell. So that atomic number 1. So what is the valence electron for this hydrogen? Only 1, because that electron which is present in that outer shell we called as valence electrons. So for hydrogen, K shell is the outer shell, so that valence electron is also 1. So to take that duplet configuration, duplet means 2. The maximum number of electrons in K shell is 2. So to get that duplet configuration, how many electrons this hydrogen needs? It needs only 1 electron, isn't it? So let us draw this hydrogen with 1 electron. So it needs 1 electron. That electron, it will share with that other hydrogen atoms. So this is another hydrogen atom with that 1 electron. So now sharing takes place. So this is the way sharing takes place. By this way, that duplet configuration is completed. So this way 1 electron pair is shared, isn't it? So this we called as a single bond. This we can represent by a single line. Like this also we can single line. Now let us see in oxygen molecule. Oxygen also diatomic molecule which is formed by combination of two oxygen atoms. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Oxygen atomic number 8. So let us write that electronic configuration KLM. So 2, 6. So that for L is the outermost shell for oxygen. So the valence electron of oxygen is 6. So to complete that octet, how many electrons it needs? Octet means 8. So 8 minus 6, 2. So it needs only 2 electrons. So that 2 electrons, it will get it from other oxygen atom. So let us draw that for oxygen, 6 valence electron. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Same way for another oxygen atom also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So now that this oxygen atom will share that 2 electrons from another oxygen atom. The same way this oxygen atom share that this electron from other atoms. So how many electrons are shared here? 2 pair, 1 and 2. So there is the formation of double bond. O, double bond, O. So by that way it completed its octet configuration. Now let us see that in methane molecule, in CH4, how that covalent bond is formed. It is a heteroatomic molecule. Heteroatomic means different atoms, carbon and hydrogen. Different atoms are here. So carbon is a central atom. So that carbon atomic number is 6. So let us write that electronic configuration 2, 4. So what is the valence electron? Outermost shell is L. So the valence electron is 4. So how many electron it needs to get that octet configuration? 8 minus 4. So 4 electron it needs. So that 4 electrons it will get it from 4 hydrogen atoms. So first let us draw that electron dot structure for carbon. So carbon 4 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So to complete that octet configuration, it needs 4 more electrons. So that 4 more electrons, it will get it from hydrogen atom. Another hydrogen with 1 electron, hydrogen with 1 electron. So that now sharing takes place this way. Now see that carbon 2, 4, 6, 8. Its octet configuration for this carbon is completed. The same way for hydrogen duplet configuration is needed. So 2 electrons, hydrogen with 2 electron is very happy only. So this is the way sharing takes place in CH4. So this we can write like hydrogen, hydrogen because one we can show in this way. Thanks for watching.